In this video, we're talking about Power Protocol legit or scam project. Before buying on this token, do your own research. This is video only educational purpose. This is an ecosystem blockchain protocol. This is for entertainment and hit games like Fable Borns, and this is AI native product system based on AI friends. This token, guys, you have a partner with the protocols supported by leading investors. This is the collab with all this platform like L1D, like Animoca brands, Ronin, all this platform. This is ecosystem, as I say. And this is a gaming, you have partnership with Pixel Games, with a lot of things. This is the website. If I check the price is $0.25 with all-time high almost 0.27. The bullish is 82%. I see some active user on this community. This is good insight also. This token listed on PancakeSwap, Binance Alpha, Bitgate, and Katana V3 and BigX and L-Bank. So friends, total supply 1 billion, max supply also 1 billion. I see some transaction here. This is a good insight to see this sum of transaction here. This is good insight, as I say. The holders is 1.06 thousand member, good member here, as you can see here, friends. I see top 10 holders 91%. The top one is 7.4 million holders. So this is all about this token. So friends, this is the white paper. You can read this white paper and this roadmap of this project. This is gaming, based on gaming, friends. So friends, this is gaming design, product strategy for gaming start here. This is good project, maybe good, maybe scam. You have Web3 also. I give this token 7 on 10, and this is not financial.